In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Steam if you forgot your password. If you're locked out of your Steam account, don't worry. Steam has a built-in recovery process that helps you reset your password and get back into your account safely. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you know exactly what to do. To begin, open the Steam sign-in screen. From there, click the option that says, Help, I can't sign in. This is the recovery link you'll use anytime you're having trouble accessing your account. It takes you to Steam's support and account recovery options where you can identify the specific issue you're having. Once you're on that page, select the option that says, I forgot my Steam account name or password. This tells Steam that you need help recovering your login details. Make sure you choose this specific option so the system can guide you through the correct password reset steps. Next, enter the email address or phone number associated with your Steam account. This is how Steam locates your account and confirms that you're the rightful owner. Be careful when typing this information, since even a small mistake could prevent Steam from finding the account. If you have more than one email address or phone number, use the one you originally linked to Steam. After that, follow the verification instructions sent by Steam. Depending on how your account is set up, Steam may send you a code, a verification link, or another recovery prompt through your email or phone. Check your inbox carefully, and if you don't see anything right away, it's a good idea to look in your spam or junk folder as well. If you're using your phone, make sure you have Signal and that messages are being received normally. This verification step is important because it protects your account from unauthorized access. Once your identity has been confirmed, you'll be prompted to create a new password and sign in. Choose a strong password that's different from your old one and easy for you to remember, but hard for others to guess. A good tip is to avoid simple words or obvious combinations. After saving your new password, return to the Steam login page, enter your updated credentials, and sign into your account. That's all it takes. By using Steam's recovery options, you can reset your password securely and regain access to your account in just a few steps.